right, no gas there. Everything's closed. Winter Storm 2022. I'm the only guy in the road, which is cool by me. I have good tires. I have a good car. And I just felt like going for a drive. I didn't want to sit in the house, you know? So everyone stay safe, stay warm. Merry Christmas. God bless. Hey, what's up, guys? Stevie C with WINEWORKZ. Only guy out in town right now. 50, 60 mile an hour winds. Wind chill below zero. Blizzard storm 2022, is that the year? Woo, it's cold. Fucking love it though. Holy shit, look at that wind. Oh my god, it's cold out here. No wonder I'm the only guy outside. But I found a gas station that's open. So I'm gonna fill up the baby and go for a spin. Oh my god. Woo! Alright guys, what does below zero wind chill look like? I'll show you. Welcome to Buffalo. Oh my god. Love it, man. This weather, this is the kind of weather I like. Alright, lots of snow here in Swarmsville. Pretty limited visibility, but otherwise a beautiful day. Gorgeous day. I wish I had my skis, and I wish I had someone with the balls to pull me behind the car, you know? I have the water ski rope, and that's all. Oh, look at that, man. Woo-wee! I suppose I should put the phone down and keep my eyes on the road. Yeah, there's like a good foot of snow at least. This weather is no joke, man. Don't be like me. Stay indoors. There's got to be 2 feet of snow and whiteouts. Yeah. I was going to surprise my girl and head over to East Aurora, but that's literally like the most insane idea. So I'm going to play it safe, and I'm going to head back home and light a fire and just watch some Netflix and chill. Merry Christmas. Hey guys, Stevie C from WINEWORKZ, braving the winter elements. The wind's not too bad, you know, just a little bit, no big deal. What's up? Greetings from Hotel WINEWORKZ. The bad boy's still standing. Whoa, some strong winds. I built a good fort though. It'll withstand quite a lot. She's in good shape. Hope everybody's staying warm and staying safe. And go Bills. Stay warm, Buffalo Bills.